Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Envy 6000 series. I'm going to show you how to print documents from laptop or computer to HP printer. You need to make sure that the printer and the laptop are connected to the same network and they are linked together. Okay, and also you need to make sure that you have the paper size of the document or photo paper you want to print out. Okay, so this printer now and the laptop are linked together, are connected to the same network. Then when they're connected to the same network, make sure you download the software HP Smart App and link them together. Now to print document, what you need to do is you need to go to where you save the document from your computer. Go to File Explorer. Okay, when you select File Explorer, then you need to scroll wherever you save the document. My document is saved in the download section. You can also save your document in the download or desktop. So wherever you save your document, this is the document I want us to print out. Vignette tutorial. Double click it and it's a single page document. Okay, now to print this document out, you can select Ctrl+P from the keyboard or keypad if you like, then or you go on top right and select the printer icon. Select. Okay, when you select the printer icon, then you need to scroll down to the left side here and make sure you select the correct printer by scroll down and look for HP DeskJet, and it will show you HP DeskJet Envy 6000 series is ready. Select on it. Okay, and now this print out, the next thing is for you to select how many copies first. Then after that, use up and down arrow for you to select number of copies you want. Okay, then after that, the next thing is layout. You can select portrait or landscape. So this is currently in portrait. If you want it to be in landscape, then you need to select landscape. This is how the landscape looks. Okay, so but I want this to be in portrait. Okay, it's back now in portrait. Okay, now the next thing to do is after that, then you select how many pages. This document is only one page. You can see if you have more than one pages of document, then you can select specific one you want to print out. So at the moment I want us to print this only one. Then the next thing is for you to select the color. You scroll down to select black and white or color. I want us to print this in colored. Now the next is also for you to print on both sides. So scroll down to select to print on both sides or print on one side. So this document is only one page, so you can only print on one side at the moment. Okay, now you can also select more option. If you select more option, it gives you option for you to select the paper size and also print. Okay, the scale. You can select actual size, so that if you select actual size is bigger. If you select fit to printable area, the paper, the document you print or the lookout will be smaller. Okay, so I want it to be actual size. Now page per sheet is 1, and quality you have option 600 dpi is what is it at the moment, so you can select up to 1200 dpi. Currently it is on 600 dpi currently. Then the next thing to do, you need to select print. Here we go. This is document, very quick. Okay, this is the document we printed out. Vignette TV tutorial. If you want us to print double-sided document, then you need to go to file and look for the document that's got double-sided. So I'm going to go to open up this document, and this one is one document as well. So I'm going to check this to see if it's double. Okay, it's a single page. Okay, so now just gonna see if there's a document that I got 2 pages. Okay, you can see, okay, this is Microsoft. So if you want to make this document 2 pages, okay, you can also select, scroll down. Okay, now type Vinyl TV to make it 2 pages. Okay, you can see this document now is 2 pages. This is, we are printing out from the Microsoft okay, words. Now to print this document out double-sided, you need to select print. To show you how to print double-sided, so select print again, okay, and go to the print on both sides. Okay, if you scroll down, you can print all pages. Okay, print all pages. Now the next thing is also print on both sides. Select print on both sides, double-sided. Okay, then the next thing to do is, once you've done that, select print. So now this document is going to print out double-sided. There we go. So this is the document we printed out double-sided. You can see we printed this out from the Microsoft Word. Okay, if you want to save this document, you can also click File and click Save As. Then you select Browse, and for you to decide where you want to save this document. I want to save this document in the download section. Okay, download. And also scroll down to select basic PDF and click save. Click OK. So now this document is saved in the download section. Okay, then you close it. If you want to know where the document is, okay, go to the file. Okay, go to the download. Then this is the first one here. Open it up. Here it is. Okay, now so this is how to print from the Microsoft Word. Now another way to print document is for you to go to, the next is for you to go to HP Smart App. Okay, now this HP Smart App and this printer is linked up together. Once it's linked, it will show you, it will take a 2 good mark here about the security and the ink installed properly. If you want to print document, then you need to select the print document from the list here. So you can see Instant Ink, Get Supply, Scan, Shortcut, Printable. So go to Print Documents. You select on it. You will see this information, supported file, document file. Click OK. Now it will give you the option for you to select the correct document you want to print out. And this document we save that I want us to print out. Open it up by double clicking it. Then once you've done that, then you need to wait for the printer to be ready, and they're showing us HP Envy 6000 series, and this document is 2 pages. If you use the arrow here, you go to the next page, it will show you the page 1 to 2. Okay, so this is the page 1 and this page 2. Then you need to select, the next thing is for you to select orientation is portrait or landscape. Is currently in portrait. Then also select the paper size. Scroll down to A4. Then also paper type, scroll down to select plain paper. Okay, output quality, you select, scroll down to high quality or draft or normal. It's currently in normal. Then copies, you select how many copies you want. Now the next is duplex printing. Duplex print is also the same thing as printing on both sides. So you scroll down to select duplex printing, print on both sides. Okay, and the next is also for you to select print all pages, or if you want to print only page 1, then you select print current page, the one you are seeing here. If you want to print or print page in the range, for you to select page 1 to 2. So but you want to print all pages. Okay, you can also select more option. When you select more option, it gives you option for you to look at it, for you to check the color, orientation, flip on both sides. And if you're happy with everything here, then you select OK. Select OK again and go to the print and select print. So now this document is going to print on both sides. Here we go. This is the document you printed out, Vinet TV, and this is the second one, Vinet TV. Okay, thank you very much, guys. This is how to print your documents from the laptop to HP printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.